saying nachos.
Nachos? Didn't we just eat?
Well, yeah, but this is dessert nachos.
Ooh, dessert. I love dessert. I'm gonna go get Jenny. Hang on.
Oh, yeah.
Jenny! Jenny, come quick.
Yes. What's going on in here?
You want some dessert?
Dessert time. Do y'all know what Monday is?
The day after Sunday?
But it's August 10th.
The day before
Monday.
August 11th.
Yeah, you're so
Yeah.
smart. You're so smart.
Something about
S'mores?
It's National S'mores Day, Monday, August 10th.
Of course, yes.
But I'm here to tell you, you don't need a campfire to make s'mores. I mean, there's all kind of neat little tools over here, like I have right here. You can roast your marshmallow under. If you don't have this fancy, you can still make one. Put it in a little terracotta pot. These are $1.
there's chocolate,
Roast your marshmallow.
cookies, cookies too.
Well, since we're in the library and we can't do the roasted marshmallows, we're gonna make s'more nachos.
That sounds good.
Yum.
And do it in our little toaster oven.
Oh,
True.
But I'm not doing the traditional. You know, the traditional s'mores were like marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate bars.
That was the traditional.
We're gonna have our own variety here.
Okay.
So, y'all each need a buttered pan.
Okay.
Take your buttered pan.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I'll butter mine while y'all decide. So, instead of graham crackers, or if you want graham crackers, we have the base. Cynthia,
Okay.
talk what you got over there. Let them know what you.
So we have some cinnamon graham cereal.
We
And
also have cookies, shortbread butter cookies, chocolate chip cookies,
vanilla wafers.
and
Those are ginger snaps.
ooh,
Yes.
that's
Yummy.
okay. Then
We also have, we can top it with some strawberries. And we have some good old chocolate, because you said we have chocolate for s'mores.
yes,
These are yummy. Some caramel filled chocolate, and then this is Oreo
bar.
chocolate bar.
and what is this? Bacon? Real bacon pieces?
Bacon pieces.
Everything is better with
my
bacon.
Gosh.
And then of course we have some little
Sprinkles.
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 Oh, and marshmallows. Marshmallow cream.
This is
Like chocolate spread, like hazelnut spread.
ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh,
This
and
sounds
then
good. And Himalayan
secret
sea salt.
ingredient.
Yes.
Yes.
A little salty with your sweet.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I guess let's go at it.
Dig in, girls.
So these are. I'm gonna
So, do y'all know where s'mores came from?
No, good question. Jenny, how about you? Any idea where s'mores came from?
Nobody really knows, but their first print of the recipe was in a Girl Scout book in 1927. And it had the traditional graham cracker, marshmallow, and chocolate bark. And they called it some more.
Ah.
So I guess along the way it got shortened to s'mores.
That's easier. S'mores.
Okay.
Well,
I need to reach. Or you want to?
you wanna? Hey, I have some trivia for you. Do you know any information about the graham cracker? Like the graham cracker became made? Because that's another part of s'mores. So before the Girl Scouts were making s'mores, a minister by the name of Sylvester Graham, he was a vegetarian. He was very, very concerned about his diet. And so he wanted a biscuit that was not too sweet and didn't have a lot of filler and a lot of like junk in it, because his body was his temple. And so he made a biscuit. The first Graham, Sylvester Graham, made a graham cracker. His first biscuit was made with unbleached flour and had wheat germ in it. So that was a graham cracker.
And his name was Graham, so they named him after him.
Yeah. And today though,
Well, there's a little bit of sugar. I mean, you can get cinnamon
lot of
grams,
sugar.
honey grams, chocolate grams,
teddy bear grams.
teddy bear grams. Yeah, all kind of graham crackers to go
All
with your
kinds.
s'mores.
Let me see, I'm
But
gonna,
did you know that marshmallows used to be used for, like a medicine for sore throat?
ooh,
Oh, I've always heard eat a marshmallow when you have a sore
I
throat.
need
Right. That's neat, huh?
some medicine.
You need some medicine, huh?
Just a spoonful of sugar
Yes.
helps the medicine go down, right?
All right, so here's,
So after you make your s'mores with whatever toppings, base, chocolate, all that you want, you're gonna put it in the oven for like 350, and you wanna put it pretty high up on the shelf. You don't want it low so it don't burn. You just wanna watch just till how you like your marshmallows. I mean, when you're roasting your marshmallows, some people just want them warm. How do you like yours, Jenny?
No, I like mine hot.
Hot? I like it
Nice and
toasted
brown.
brown on the
Right,
outside.
yes, I like it brown.
And ooey gooey in the middle. So you just want to watch how long it takes, and don't let them get in there too long.
so,
Okay.
all right, I'm gonna going in.
So let's have a little information, since we're librarians and full of information. What about chocolate? Chocolate is good.
Love chocolate.
Is that what you meant?
And who's the biggest chocolate producer in America? What do we usually put on our traditional s'mores?
Hersheys chocolate.
These are called pips, did you know that? Pips. Pips. The little pieces in the bars are called pips, and the original recipe, if you can call it original recipe, called for 6 pips on 1 graham cracker. So we needed 6 of these things
Oh, so
lined up.
fits, yeah.
Yeah, so 6 pips.
Okay, I think I'm.
Anyway,
gonna do
Hershey makes 373 million chocolate bars every year. That is enough to make, that is a lot, 746 million s'mores.
Wow. You better get started eating that.
Yeah.
I'll wait and add some cookies.
The
after.
largest.
You use this,
Yes.
Cynthia? You did use that?
Yeah, try it.
I think I'm gonna try it though.
The largest s'mores, made around a campground in, I believe it was Deer Run, Pennsylvania. It was 267 pounds. The actual s'more was 267 pounds, and actually a big record breaker. It had 140 pounds of marshmallows and 90 pounds of graham crackers and 90 pounds of
Wow.
chocolate. 267 pound total s'more.
That is a
I
huge.
wonder how many people ate on that.
Oh my god.
Scrumptious.
So, I'm gonna dig in. So. Oh, is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's really good. I had no idea. And the bacon, y'all, if you've never put bacon on a s'mores,
I told you. That's
I'm telling you.
Jenny, yours looks really good with those strawberries on top.
It is so good.
Yeah, look at mine,
Yes,
they're already
yes.
done. Ooh, that didn't take long at all.
Mm-mm.
I guess the
Y'all, the
longer your
strawberries.
toaster
Oh
oven
my
salt,
gosh, right?
That's
So,
true.
so
You know, I've never been a fan of s'mores. I think we were talking before that s'mores. I mean, just the regular chocolate
Right.
marshmallow graham cracker.
Mhm.
This steps it up a notch, and I would eat this s'more.
Every single.
How
day.
is it? Every single day.
Ooey gooey.
Mm.
Ooey gooey yummy.
Mm-hmm.
All of the above.
I don't know.
Mm.
This is the best. I
It's
mean,
really good.
I'm gonna say again, there's
We
something
might
about
not-
that bacon.
I know, it's perfect.
You know, just putting some bacon on a regular s'more.
Oh, you
Might
could
be
roll
enough.
your marshmallow into, you know how they coat the marshmallows in the melted chocolate and then you roll it in the graham cracker.
Let's
crumb.
try it.
Or bacon.
Or bacon.
We're a fan of bacon if you haven't noticed.
Well, after this, it's yummy.
We hope you enjoyed our National S'more Day dedication video for Cooking with Librarians. And we want to hear back from you. Comment, what's your favorite s'more topping?
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Have a s'mores day. Bye-bye.
You ever play Chubby Bunny?
Never.
I haven't either, but I've heard about it. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Okay.
All right.
So, you know how to play?
Something about shoving as many marshmallows as you can in your mouth.
Yeah, but every marshmallow you gotta say 1 Chubby Bunny, 2 Chubby Bunny.
Okay.
See who gets the most.
Okay. All right. So we just start.
Sure. Ready?
Okay.
Set.
So we do this together. It's not a race.
Yeah, we're not gonna go fast.
Okay.
I'm not fast.
All right. Let's go.
Ready?
Yes.
Set. Go.
1 chubby.
1 Chubby Bunny. You gotta put it in your mouth and say it.
1 chubby bunny. 2
2 Chubby Bunny.
3 chubby bunny.
3 Chubby Bunny.
4
4 Chubby Bunny. You're chewing. Quit chewing.
I'm not. 5? Is it 5?
5 Chubby Bunny. 6 Chubby Bunny.
I'll slime you. 6 chubby bunny. 7
7. You got 7 now.
7
7
chubby
Chubby
bunny.
Bunny.
8
8 Chubby Bunny.
Can I put it in my tooth like a hamster?
What?
Can I put it in my tooth like a hamster?
Good idea. Ooh, that worked really good. 9 Chubby Bunny.
9 chubby bunny. 10
10
chubby bunny. It's like chubby hamster. 11 chubby bunny.
11 Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
12. This is 12.
12 Chubby Bunny. Look. 13 Chubby Bunny.
13 chubby bunny.
14 Chubby Bunny.
15 chubby bunny.
16 Chubby
16
Bunny.
chubby bunny. They're all funny. They're not funny.
Quit making spit, making it worse. Breathe through your nose.
17 chubby bunny.
17 Chubby Bunny.
18 chubby bunny.
18 Chubby Bunny. 19 Chubby Bunny.
20
20 Chubby Bunny.
20 chubby bunny. 21 chubby bunny.
21 Chubby Bunny. I didn't know I could do this.
22 chubby bunny. I didn't even thought of doing that.
23 Chubby Bunny.
23 chubby bunny. 24 chubby bunny. No,
Chubby Bunny.
25 chubby bunny.
There's 5 Chubby Bunny. I'm gonna
Go to 30. You can do it.
27
We're hurt Chubby Bunny. 27 Chubby Bunny. 28.
That's 30. 30.
What? 21 Chubby Bunny. 5 Chubby Bunny. Done.
I think I swallowed one whole.
I did too.